track right through central Florida, and then it's going to parallel the east coast of the United States. You can see the circulation center right in here. It's going to rapidly transition from a coastal event with this huge surge that's now in the Port Charlotte area or the Charlotte Harbor area into a land event, which means two things. It means down power lines and power outages from the wind, and it means rainfall. So that's what we're going to be concentrating on here in just a little while. But keep in mind, there's still some strong winds coming onshore from Naples northward. You see 74-mile-per-hour wind gusts in Fort Myers. So there's a lot of flooding along the coastline here. This happens to be the worst right near this core of very strong winds that are the Category 4. The remainder is tropical storm to hurricane-force wind gusts outside that circulation. What do we expect rainfall-wise over Florida? Locally, up to 6 inches is possible. The good news is the system is moving fairly quickly, about 20 miles per hour. That's good for rain, but bad for wind, because it is possible that this rain will stretch up the east coast of the United States as well, locally heavy rain as well, all the way up to the Carolinas over the next few days. But the strong winds will carry right in through Fort Myers, right in that little core, that little donut of strong winds. If that happens to go over Orlando, we could see significant damage from that in the form of power line outages and tree outages. You can see, if you look at the forest density canopy here in Florida, it's not near as forested as farther north. But look up here in the northeastern portions. If that core of winds comes over here, we're going to have a lot of tree damage there. So that's what we'll watch. Right now, it looks like it's going to go very close to the southern edge of all those trees, so expect some power outages in here over the next 6 to 12 hours. Let's get back to the studio now.
Well, thank you very much, Dr. Lyons. Of course, our coverage on Major Hurricane Charley continues. Charley is packing winds of 140 miles an hour now.
Take a look at North Florida. There we have tornado warnings now in Orange, Osceola, and St. Johns counties there. Storms moving rapidly to the north, so not only a hurricane coming at you, but again, the threat for tornadoes in North Florida today.